This is not all snow. It's like ice with a topping of snow. You see that? I can't shovel that. That's ice. Look at that. Ice. Ow. I fear for my life just walking on this stuff. I'm walking on ice right now. Look at that. I fell. Oh dear. I don't know how Eskimos do it, but oh my goodness. Okay, something's starting to come down. I think we're getting more ice. Oh. I'm walking on ice right now. Oops. You know, my goal is to get to the mailbox. I have no idea how people are driving on this or even walking on this because it is very, very dangerous.